Is that recording or something?
Yeah.
It doesn't
Looks like it's about the tornado.
Because it's swirling. You see, it's going every which way.
The wind is swirling.
Watch the tree.
Oh.
Every which way.
Rain! Rain!
You can sit over the porch and wait for them.
Is that hail or that? No, that's just big rain. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. There it comes. Whoa, was that like, was that thunder?
Whoa!
Yeah, that was a might be.
Woo! I'm weird. Notice that car just turned right back around and went the other way.
Because they come on at dusk.
Notice that one car just turned around and went the other way.
Yeah. Do you think it's a good idea for my birthday party? What I wanted to do is like make some kind of like, I guess in other words a program, I can't think of a good word for it, to where I give one to each person that comes. And it has a picture of me and that person, or just that.
That going off?
The siren's going off.
Hey, Al.
You hear that?
Yeah.
That's a tornado siren.
I can't stand this weather.
It's actually kind of fun, you know, once in a while.
I mean, it's scary though. This is tornado.
I know. I mean, scary is fun sometimes as long as it doesn't get out of control. Stop hitting me in the face with that rubber band.
Let's dance.
Let's dance. Tornado.
What if the lightning struck every car on the street?
Right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. It's still going.
Yeah. Yep.
They do that for spring storm warnings too.
Really?
Usually you don't hear much. Somebody spotted a tornado somewhere.
Because I was going to say, they do that sometimes, but it doesn't always...
They could have spotted one somewhere.
Yeah.
Or that warning that the weather is severe. People don't already know that.
The good thing that's not a film camera.
Ah! Look at that flood.